Introducing SARS WhatsApp channel. The SARS WhatsApp channel conveniently offers individual taxpayers the following tax service menu options. To initiate the WhatsApp chat with SARS, simply type hi or hello. Click Choose an option for the following menu to appear. Tax reference number, statement of account, refund status, audit status, notice of assessment. You can also ask general tax-related advice. Go ahead and add the number 0800 117277 to your contact list. Remember, this channel is available 24/7. SARS, at your service.